What is UI/UX design? UI/UX design refers to the process of designing the user interface and user experience for digital products such as websites, mobile apps, software applications, and other digital platforms. User interface (UI) design focuses on designing the visual aspects of a digital product, such as layout, typography, colors, and visual elements. It is concerned with creating a visually appealing and user-friendly interface that guides the user through the product's features and functions. User experience (UX) design, on the other hand, is concerned with the overall experience of using a digital product. It encompasses everything from the ease of navigation to the clarity of information presented to the user. UX designers conduct research to understand user needs and behaviors, then use that information to create a product that is intuitive, easy to use, and enjoyable for the user. Good UI/UX design is essential for creating digital products that are effective, efficient, and enjoyable to use. It can help to increase user engagement, improve brand loyalty, and boost overall product satisfaction.